did you have for breakfast? Continental breakfast.
I'll get this a brownie. Happy. Brownies. What are you looking at? Okay, you get it.
What are you playing?
I'm playing college.
You want to race?
Yeah.
All right, which one are you gonna grab?
This one
And which one's for me?
you have the blue one.
All right. 1, 2, 3. And I won.
Let's try again.
Last. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, it's a tie!
We both won.
Is 6. I almost forgot what number is it. I start losing count after the third vlog. This is vlog 6, and today we just got dressed. We're going to Walmart. My husband has to charge his car. It's electric. And I have to pick up some stuff that I ordered. And also, you guessed it, the Dollar Tree. That's honestly my last time going to the Dollar Tree to get a few more things that we need. And then we have to finish the decorations outside. He's so cute. What'd you get, Mama?
A lighthouse.
Another decoration for her room. This
Yeah.
child's room is more decorated than the entire
It
house.
has on,
Let me see.
off.
Let me see the house.
It
Whoa.
can turn on and off.
Got back from Dollar Tree, Walmart, and now we're going to finish putting on the lights outside and hopefully be done with the entire outside decorating. unfortunately, my ornament idea didn't work out as I thought. I wanted to hang it from the branches, but I didn't realize how tall the branches on the tree was. So we just kind of plopped it as a little prop in the front. Right now, we're going to eat dinner. And once Leah goes to sleep, we're going to have our movie night. Hello, guys. I think it's been like a week since the last clip you guys saw. Today, I'm definitely going to be closing out Vlogmas 2022. I am right now just going to finish doing some short form videos, and then I'm also going to be wrapping presents today while my daughter is in school. I feel like this is the only chance I get. I'm going to be wrapping her gift that's coming from Santa Claus. My husband is going to dress up as Santa Claus. We got the whole entire suit. He's going to come in through the back. It's going to be so cute. I cannot wait to see her reaction. So I need to wrap the gifts from Santa Claus, and then I also need to wrap the gifts that are coming from us, and just slowly but surely getting ready for the party. I feel like hosting is just a lot. I love to kind of like decorate and do stuff like that. But last night I had like this weird dream that we went to get the catered food. We are going to cater food, so we got to go get it. And it wasn't ready, and all our guests were already in our house. And then my grandmother started serving waffles because everybody was hungry. It was just very, very weird. I swear the pressures of entertaining and hosting are starting to get to me because I'm dreaming about them. But that's what I'm gonna be doing today, and that's it. Today I am going to be folding these cute little napkins. I got these napkins from Amazon, and also the rings for it. This is for the dinner. Christmas is in 5 days. So crazy. So for Christmas Eve, I'm going to be hosting dinner, as I've been telling you guys throughout this whole entire vlog. And I want to have these prepared so that way when I make the tables, just kind of set the table. I found this cute video on Pinterest on how to fold the napkins like a bow. I think it's so cute. I'm going to show you guys the whole entire final product with the table settings and how it looks with the bow. So cute.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got my eye set on you. I'm not gonna play it safe. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow failed. I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not gonna wait. And right around the mistletoe, I'm gonna let my feelings show. Always got you on my mind.
Okay, guys, so I just finished all the presents that I wrapped. I wrapped the ones that are coming from Santa Claus. That's gonna be so fun. I cannot wait to see her reaction. I did also folded all the bows for the table as the napkins. And right now we're just going to go to Walmart to get some last minute things for the dinner. And then that is it. I am just going to close Vlogmas 22 right here. Thank you guys so much for following along. I hope you guys enjoyed my crazy life and all my 50 trips to the Dollar Tree. And thank you so much for following me. And I just want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you so much, guys.